I just wanted to give you a clear tutorial on how to submit your presentation via VoiceThread. So you can see I am in week 16's content folder, and I'm scrolling down to this link here that says VoiceThread. When I click on this, I will be directed out to a particular VoiceThread. You can actually just close it, and what you'll see is anything that has been shared with you. I actually have quite a few that have been shared with me, but you will use this create, or you might see something over here that says add your own, and either of those will work, but you will create by adding media. If you have a PowerPoint with slides, you will need to upload those. So you'll select it from, say, your computer, wherever you have it located. Or if you don't have a PowerPoint, then you can simply start with a webcam video, which will record you only. It will not record anything on your screen. So I will demonstrate this just by picking a random PowerPoint here. You'll give it a title, so I'll just call this demo. You don't need a description or tags, but you can add if you want. You'll hit save, and you will need to click this third button that is share. If you don't, then those of us in the class will not actually see it. So if you're not seeing any comments on yours as we get closer to the deadline, then this is one place to check. And speaking of comments, you will do that by this button here. So as this is processing, once all of the slides are uploaded, then there will be a box down here that's a half circle, and it will have 5 options. But as this is processing, I'll just show you either of these will work. This is what I'm talking about here. So my preference would be that you record a video comment of 1 to 2 minutes in duration, or you can simply do audio if you don't feel comfortable with video for some reason. If you absolutely must, then I will accept a typed comment, which you can see here by the ABC, and I would require that to be at least 5 sentences. In other words, I don't just want something that's, great job, or I enjoyed this, tell us why. And then your final option here is if you feel the urge to type out something in a Word document, then you can upload that document here. So again, this is just a brief tutorial on how VoiceThread works, and I look forward to seeing how you relate all of your information to our class on cognition and brain science.